Okay, in class I gave you guys the following problem. I gave you this graph which has, it's just the graph of two lines, this black one and the red one. And I asked you to find the point of intersection, to determine if the lines are perpendicular. Okay, so remember our requirement for the lines to be perpendicular. They must meet at a right angle. Now, you might be able to see from this picture that maybe they doesn't look like a right angle there. So there's another way we can look at, figure out whether they're perpendicular, and that is to determine the slope of each line. If the slopes are negative reciprocals, then we have two perpendicular lines. Okay, so that's what we want to determine. So let's do with the black line first. So the black line, I'm just going to zoom in here and find a good example here. So let's look at this triangle there. The rise of this one and the run, that's what we use to find the slope. So to find the rise, if you note, we go up from this point here to this point, we go up 2 steps. Okay, so the rise here, we go from 3 to 5. So the rise is equal to 2. And the run is equal to 1 because we go only 1 step. We go from 2 to 3. So the run here is equal to 1. And so we can find the slope, which is equal to the rise over the run, is equal to 2 over 1, or just 2. All right, so that's the black line. Let's look at the red line. Again, I'm going to zoom in here, and let's draw a triangle. I'll draw this one over here to here. Okay. Now this one's going to be a little trickier. Maybe not. Again, we want to find the rise and the run. So the rise in this case is equal to 1. We just go up 1 unit. We go from here to here, which is the same as going from 2 to 3. In fact, we go down. Okay, we actually, as our x values increase, our y values decrease. So our rise is actually -1. And what's our run? Well, our run, we go 1 unit this way, another unit, and then a half unit. So our run is equal to 2.5, or as a fraction, we can write this as 5 halves. Okay, so let's calculate the slope. The slope is rise over the run, and we found the rise to be -1, and the slope to be 5 over 2, which simplifies to -2 over 5. Okay, so we have the two slopes. Let's just highlight what they are. The first one, I didn't finish it. It's equal to 2. So we have that. And we have the other slope being -2 over 5. Are these two negative reciprocals of each other? Well, remember, if we have a number a, then the negative reciprocal is equal to -1 over a. So if we have in the first line, the black line, the negative reciprocal of 2 is negative 1/2. And that is definitely not equal to 2/5. Negative 1/2 is not equal to 2/5. So the two slopes are not negative reciprocals, so these two lines are not perpendicular. Okay? I hope this video was helpful.